Fly lines are manufactured to an industry standard called the AFTMA standard. The AFTMA standard, an abbreviation for American Fishing Tackle Manufacturers Association, is designed to help anglers choose the correct line for their rod. For example, if you have a 5-weight rod, you choose a 5-weight fly line, an 8-weight rod, an 8-weight fly line. The standard is based on the weight of a fly line at 30 feet. It is measured in grains. There are approximately 438 grains to an ounce, which should give you an idea of how small a grain is. The majority of fly lines used are between a 1-weight and a 13-weight. The AFTMA standard for a 1-weight is 60 grains, while the standard for a 13-weight is 450 grains, each at 30 feet. The ever-popular 5-weight has a standard of 140 grains, while the 6-weight is 160 grains, a 20-grain difference. Few people realize how little 20 grains is. The weight of a business card is 20 grains. In other words, the difference between a 5-weight and a 6-weight line is no more than the weight of a business card spread over 30 feet. Another interesting fact is the increase in line size as an angler lengthens the amount of line they're casting. At 30 feet, a regular weight forward 5 has the standard weight of 140 grains. However, with 35 feet of weight forward 5 weight, the weight is equivalent to a weight forward 6 weight, 160 grains, and at 40 feet equivalent to a weight forward 7 weight, 185 grains. It just goes to show that fly rods are more versatile at taking different line weights than most anglers believe. At RIO, we make some fly lines exactly to the AFTMA standard, and we make other heavier than the AFTMA standard. It all depends on what the line is designed for. The precision required to make a fly line the correct weight is incredible. For example, if you made a weight forward 5-weight line and increased the diameter by only 0.03 of an inch, that is equivalent to an 8x tippet, you would change the line weight to that of a 6.5. RIO has a highly trained team of operators that QC the fly lines constantly, ensuring the lines are accurate in their weights and profiles. RIO, because your fly line matters.